The Vivosun gardening hand pruner is appropriate for use on any type of plant for trimming leaves, stems, or small branches. These straight, sharp stainless steel blades will not corrode. The pruner makes sharp, clean cuts easily and even squeezes just past the point of closure for slicing through even the most stubborn vines. With rubber padding on the handles, it's friendly on the hands for trimming all day. The convenient safety lock keeps the blade sharp and your hands safe while it's not being used. Just slide it on to secure the blade shut. You can put it in your pocket with peace of mind. As with all Vivosun products, this pruner is backed by our satisfaction guarantee. Vivosun, bring green to your life.